रेडियो जिंदगी 1550 से एम 99.7 FM HD3 पर मैं हूँ ईशा आपके साथ. गुड इवनिंग. फिलहाल आप मुझे कैसे सुन रहे हैं वो तो इट्स मेरा लक है कि आज मैं एक्चुअली कर रही हूँ पावर आवर विद अमित इनामदार. एंड यू नो दैट वी ऑलवेज ब्रिंग समथिंग एक्साइटिंग, ऑलवेज टॉकिंग अबाउट सम न्यू हाउसेज एंड हाउ इजीली यू कैन बाय अ मीडियम प्राइस हाउस विद द बायर्स इन दिस मार्केट. एंड दिस इज अ 30-minute इन्फॉर्मेशन, सो आई एम श्योर आपको मिस नहीं करना है ये 4 से 4:30 बजे तक. एंड आप कॉल भी कर सकते हैं 510-770-1550 पर अगर आपको कोई भी क्वेश्चन पूछने हैं घर से रिलेटेड, और अगर आप चाहते हैं कुछ पर्सनली आपको कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए, यू कैन ऑलवेज डू दैट. यू कैन ऑलवेज सबमिट अ क्वेश्चन फॉर अ पर्सनल रिस्पॉन्स. यू जस्ट हैव टू गो टू Amit's website, which is ownsweethome.net. That is OWNSWEETHOME.net, and click on the radio show link to submit your question. And I'm sure that Amit is going to respond to you. You can also search him on Google. That's always a great thing to do. All right, so let's welcome Amit on the show. Hi Amit, how are you doing?
Hey, thank you Isha. Thanks for all this energy. Okay, hello friends, Own Sweet Home, and welcome to my show, Power Hour with Amit Inamdar and with Isha. So there is a very enthusiasm in her voice. So we're going to talk about some of the opportunities the buyers will have to buy homes directly from Own Sweet Home Realty. Mm-hmm. And the 3 listings that we announced last week, one of them actually we will talk about shortly, but we will cover the Union Cities where the listing was last week, plus the Fremont and the San Jose listing that's coming up. We will talk about the neighborhoods for these listings as well as the schools and all the benefits you'll enjoy by buying one of these homes directly from Own Sweet Home.
All right, so first of all, congratulations on getting your listing under contract that Ira and you were discussing last week.
Right.
And I understand the winning bid went to all cash buyer. Well, that's
absolutely.
Crazy.
I mean, who knows, people are coming up with like a 600, 700K cash.
Wow, and the home was beautiful. I saw it. And you have another beautiful home on the market this morning. So one in the beautiful Glenmore Gardens, is that right?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, so can you tell us more about this beautiful single family home?
Definitely. The Glenmore Gardens is a beautiful subdivision within the city of Fremont, one of the largest one with over 1,900 homes.
Oh, wow.
And my listing is located on 4977 Richmond Avenue in Fremont, Glenmore area. Those who do not have the knowledge of the Glenmore area, it is bound by Highway 880, Maury Avenue, the Central Avenue, and the Fremont Boulevard. So that small section there is basically the Glenmore Gardens area. The single-family home I'm presenting during the weekend open house is an executive-style ranch home with almost 1,700 square feet. It sits on tastefully landscaped lot of almost 8,300 square feet and a backyard, patio, decks, and front yard that has the nicest curb appeal.
Yes, definitely. And I think, jaise aap bol rahe ho, it looks and it sounds very, very attractive. And I'm sure there are many first-time home buyers among our listeners, and they can enjoy the lifestyle this home has to offer. So, Amit, can you how much do this home sell for? Are they very costly or very, that question is very important.
Right. And I know you're going to ask that. So actually, I looked at the median sales price data for month of April, which just ended.
Okay.
And the median sale price of home in a Fremont has reached above or crossed above 900,000. It's $904,000 in Fremont. Median means half the homes are sold that were sold in April were sold above 904,000, and other half were sold below this price. And affordability definitely at this price becomes a big factor. But people need to know, all the home buyers need to know that it is not just determined by the home prices. I mean, the market is going up, but there is a reason for it because people can still afford it.
Yeah.
And the affordability is also determined by what's called the interest rates that you get the loan at. So if you review the first-time home buyer affordability and the home people can actually afford to buy, the affordability has actually climbed from 2014 to the first quarter of 2015, even though the prices have gone up because the rates went down. And it's just a simple formula, I equal to PRT. The R is the rate. If the rate drops from 5% below 4%, that's a 20% leverage people got on the home prices to keep the same monthly payment. And that's what ended up happening. And that's why you are seeing this median price going up and up.
Yeah.
And this means more home buyers can afford to buy when you have higher affordability, even though these prices have gone up. And as I said, it's just mainly due to the interest rates.
Yes, and I think this is a very interesting observation. So, one would think high prices means lower affordability, or is it the vice versa?
Right. That would be true if you're buying it for all cash, and if everybody had some cash
Okay.
in their hand,
Okay.
and then you may say, oh, higher price is less affordability because I'm losing all my cash. But when you buy a home which is purchased through financing, lenders end up qualifying for up to 43% of your gross income to be used to carry the debt like the buying the home. And knowing this and the interest rates being lower than the last year, the affordability has actually climbed. Why do you think the home prices are going up? Why do you think there are still multiple offers on the house? It's all because those who are in the market to buy understand the dynamics of home loan qualification. If you qualify, you buy. Qualification means affordable payments based on lender taking the risk of all the money they are putting in. If payments are affordable, you buy when you qualify. Looks like we had a listener just now,
Yes.
and he kind of hung up. But do call us back.
Please
Okay?
call us back on our studio number 510-770-1550. Yeah, so you were saying something, or just we want to
Yeah.
give out the details?
Yeah, just again, I mean, you want to if people want to call, they can call in. Actually, this is a beautiful Glenmore Gardens Ranch home. And any questions related to real estate, I mean, just call back. I mean, if somebody who was just there.
Yeah.
And you know how to get hold of me. It's
Yes.
ownsweethome.net, OWN-sweethome.net. Okay?
Yes, you can definitely call Amit, search him on website. You can also Google him. Abhi Filal, if you have any questions, you can definitely call on our studio number 510-770-1550. So Amit, you said the affordability is high. You buy when you qualify, and the median price of Fremont House is little over 9K. I mean, that's crazy. So what would be the payments for the good credit borrower would be?
Yeah, that's the good question. And that's the question everyone should be asking. It's not how much is it. We are so programmed to think about the price anytime you want to buy something.
Yeah, I do the same.
Right, exactly. And a lot of people do. And until you kind of go to these questions like, how much are my payments? Okay, that's the right kind of questions. And the payments basically depend on various factors. So let's make a quick assumption about the buyer. Let's say the buyer is capable of putting down 20% down payment on this 900K home. This means the loan balance is going to be around 720,000.
Yeah.
For this loan balance, a good credit score buyer will get a 30-year fixed interest rate just under maybe 4%, okay? And that at that rate, the monthly payments for the mortgage will be around $3,400 per month. However, remember, that part of the payment, okay, is not just all the payment going towards interest. I mean, some of that is interest that you will pay to the lender,
Yeah.
and some of that is principal that you're going to pay to yourself, okay? So to lower your loan balance,
Yeah.
right? So the interest payments are going to be about $2,400. So that means just over 1,000 is basically your principal payments, okay? And for $2,400 interest payments, if you're going to rent a house like this, I mean, it's a lot cheaper than renting the same thing for, payments of $3,000 to $3,500.
Yeah.
And of course, there are, as you know, the mortgage interest is tax deductible, and there are also property taxes and homeowner insurance and other things. And a person with a 40% federal tax bracket, by including all the tax deductions and everything, will pay totally $2,100 out of their own pocket to other people. Okay,
yeah.
because of course you're paying that $1,000 of principal to yourself, but you're still
Yeah.
paying it. But
Yeah.
other people, rent equivalent is $2,100.
Yeah, so
someone
looks
is
like we've
calling.
just got a call. Let's take it. Hello, who's this?
This is Rahul speaking.
Rahul, what question do you have for Amit?
Yeah, I do have a question for Amit. Whether is it advisable to refinance for 0.25% or 0.30-40%? My current loan is at 4.25.
Right. So here is a quick thing for you. First of all, if you go to my website, there is a calculator section. Okay, and it says is refinance good for you or not. So it asks you what your current rate is. It asks you how long you had held your current loan, and then it asks you what your new rate is going to be, and tells you whether you're going to save or you're going to pay more in the long run. Okay, so there is no rough rule of thumb, and I have tricks to play with which I can't kind of disclose on this radio thing, but you will be able to refinance no cost always and still make lower overall payments. And that trick, I mean, I will share with you if you call me after the show. Okay?
Sure.
All
Thank
right.
you, Rahul.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for calling. And if you want to go to the website, it's ownsweethome.net, which is OWNsweethome.net. All right. So, Amit,
So
you
I
were
just
saying.
told you basically that this 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhouse,
Mm-hmm.
not townhouse, a single family home.
Yeah.
You will own it. Rent equivalent payments of only $2,100, right?
Mhm.
Looks
So-
like someone else is calling
Yes,
now.
let's
All right.
see who is it. Hello?
Hi, this is Amit. Own Sweet Home. Who am I talking to?
Yeah, Amit, this is Rakesh here. I wanted
Rakesh.
to
Go ahead.
ask your experience about subdividing of any lots, basically. I mean, if a owner has got a very big lot, say about 25,000 square feet,
Mm-hmm.
is it easy or difficult to subdivide that lot in an area like Fremont and then sell off those lots as independent lots? What's your experience on that?
Right. So basically, it all depends on the city zoning, okay? And you have to go to the city and ask them what this lot is zoned for. If you want to have a variance in zoning, you can request that from the city also. The process is a bit lengthy, but if you have a good reason to do certain things, city may listen to you and actually do a special request approval for special zoning permits and things like that. So, but that question is definitely for the city of Fremont and the engineers who work there in the zoning department. Okay?
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Rakesh.
much for calling. Yeah, Amit. So you were talking about the family home.
Right.
Yes.
And how sweet this deal is, right?
Yes, I know. I mean, this deal sounds really, really wonderful. And no wonder the demand for buying a home is a lot higher these days. And the saving will convince anyone to buy rather than to rent. And
Right.
the rents in this market are, oh my God, they are so
Yes,
much.
outrageous.
Yeah,
And-
they can
and
give you a
this-
heart attack.
This house does have an HOA. It's somewhere between $140 or $165 per year.
Okay.
So that's like 12 to 15
Yeah,
bucks per month.
That's not bad.
And
yeah.
that's not bad at all. I
Yeah.
mean, property taxes will come out to be around, on an 850K purchase price, maybe close to $900. And, the property will get a nice 40% tax bracket, interest and IRS rebates from that interest deduction and everything, and that's really huge. Okay. And then if you remember that you again pay the principal to yourself,
Yeah.
your payments come down to only $2,100. And again, I'm not a tax consultant, and everybody should verify their specific situation
Yeah.
with the CPA or the tax advisor. We have another
All right.
caller.
With that said, let's take another caller. Hello?
Hello.
Hi, this is Amit, Own Sweet Home. How can I help?
Hey, Amit, I have a quick question.
Sure.
I mean, it could be a general question for every home buyer, which, who's looking to buy a home right out there in the market.
Sure.
But think about it, like, for example, if somebody's putting a rent of $3,000 in a rental property,
Mhm.
and they try to buy a home with almost similar mortgage, like approximately $3,000 as well,
Mhm.
but how do you think it is beneficial to buy a home versus keeping that same rental property when you take consideration of 20% down payment?
Understand. I mean, of course, every borrower is different, okay? And if you don't have 20% down payment, your rates may be higher. But at the end of the day, the principal that you're going to pay, you're going to pay to yourself, okay? Remember that. And the tax deductions you're going to get on interest and property taxes, those will basically tell you that your monthly payments to only other people is going to be less than $3,000. And I can tell you that even with 10% down, you will come out with the same conclusion. Now, if you want to really understand it, just watch my first time homebuyer webinar.
Yes.
That's on the website. And that actually has everything detailed out step by step. All right?
Okay. Okay.
All right. Thank you so much for calling. Let's take another caller quickly. Hello?
Oh, hi. This is Amit, Own Sweet Home. How can I help?
Hello?
Hi.
Hi.
I have a question. You were just talking that if somebody purchases a house for $900,000,
Yes.
put 20% down payment, $180,000, and $720,000 is the loan amount,
Hmm.
and you said that you get the interest rate under 4%.
Yeah. I mean, that's what the rates are in the marketplace. Have you checked those recently?
Okay. Okay. And you said the payment will be $3,400.
Well, I mean, again, that's for a good credit score borrower, okay? And that would be the payment on the principal and interest, plus you will pay the property tax and insurance.
It includes property tax and insurance also?
No, it does not include that. It will be higher than that.
Okay.
But what I'm saying is,
So
the,
$3,400 and plus $1,400 extra property tax and insurance.
right.
So it's almost $48,000 for $4,800.
Right. I know where you are going. Okay. I mean, let me tell you. Out of that, you are going to get some benefit because of the tax deductibility of interest and the property taxes, and you also have to remember that you are going to pay the principal to yourself. So you cannot think that as if you are paying it to some other people. And then you start comparing what you pay to other people and compare that with the rent. And again, if you watch my first time homebuyer webinar, it has all these calculations detailed up. It's not a cash flow solution. It's basically saying, going forward, am I paying less to other people?
You were telling only $3,400. There is a little confusion because you did not say that this property tax insurance is not include.
Right. I mean, I did continue with the information as I continued.
Yeah, we were supposed to finish that, sir. Anyways, thank you so much for calling. Let's move on, Amit. We were talking about the webinar, and a lot of people know that webinars are very important. Great source if you're actually looking for new or, first-time buyers. And I think you've put a lot of effort and over 15 years of experience into it. So first-time home buyers have so many questions. And how does one go about buying a home? What are the considerations when buying your first home? What do you buy? Where do you buy? And most importantly, when do we buy? So all these questions are addressed in this 45-minute long webinar. And webinar also walks you through the process of rent, equivalent monthly payments, thereby showing you, savings of thousands of dollars per year. It talks about loan pre-qualification, loan approval, and shows you tools to understand how much home you can afford. So when buying a home, do you focus on the good public schools or private schools? How does one go, how long does one live in their first home? How do sellers price their home, and how do they look for the community and everything. So Amit helps buying to figure out the offer price for the home as well. So you go out there, see about the inspection, see about the closing cost. There are so many things when you buy a home, so I'm sure there must be so many questions. So go to homesweethome.net and you can find this webinar, and the link is located in the left column of the website. You cannot miss it. So this is a very must for any home buyer. All right, so Amit, shall we move on and let's take a quick break and then come back? What do you say?
Let's do that.
All right. Okay. So let's take a quick break and then I'll be right here. Keep listening. Radio Zindagi 1550 AM 99.7 FM. SG3 par Jeja will be back with Power Hour with Amit Inamdar.
Have you joined the Happily Ever After Club?
Happily Ever After Club?
हाँ, Happily Ever After Club. Membership is automatic once you buy your dream home from Amit Inamdar. He's both real estate and mortgage broker. One stop, no need to shop.
Oh, Amit Inamdar from Own Sweet Home.
Yes, that's Amit from OWN Own Sweet Home. Call him today, 510-364-6686. Again, 510-364-6686. Or visit ownsweethome.net. That is OWNOwnSweetHome.net. DRE number 013555522 and MLS 236574.
All right, welcome back. You're listening Radio Zindagi 1550 AM 99.7 FM SG3 पर मैं हूँ ईशा आपके साथ Power Hour with Amit Inamdar, and we're talking about, of course, the great home. So welcome back, and Amit, you were going to tell us about the good home which is going to come and also the location. And also, if you want to get Amit, you can just Google him. You just have to Google his name. It's very simple. Amit Inamdar. He's the real estate broker, and you will know the ways to find him, as I did. So you can do that.
All right. So I know there is a various neighborhood in San Jose. And I have a home coming up for sale next week in there.
Yes.
And we already talked about the Glenmore home. Mm-hmm. And the Berryessa home is just getting ready for sale. We have contractors working in this home to make sure the home will be in a great move-in ready condition for the home buyers. This home has magnificent views of the mountains. Owner has improved the home and added a front patio for the great mountain views. This is expected to be on the market, as I said, early next week. New paint, new skylights, new water heater, backyard deck, large living and family rooms, and upgraded kitchen.
So, Amit, can you tell us in the detail that, how can someone contact you and how can someone, get to you if they want to actually see the home?
Right. So, absolutely. I mean, as I said, my information is always on my website. That can be, they can contact me from there. I will definitely arrange a private showing for you and we can go from there. Okay?
I think, sellers love you and trust you in your services. That's for true. Because people come to you and understand you offer free services to homeowners when they're ready to sell. So can you please tell us about that?
Okay. So for home sellers, I actually start working way before they're ready to sell.
Okay.
Yesterday I had somebody come in. He's probably planning to sell next year. But we planned everything. I figured out he has almost 900K equity in his house, and I figured out how that an equity is just sitting there doing nothing. So we figured out how we can get around 6% return on his equity. Okay. And he will make more money. So, okay, that's $54,000 a year on that 900,000.
Yeah.
And he's going to make that kind of money if he follows the plan I gave him, just by just changing the way he was thinking before, right? So, sellers typically, when they want to sell, they do have valid and practical questions, like, I mean, whether they buy first or sell first. Because when you sell, you have to move in some place. Right?
I know.
Okay. So, do you rent your current home, or do you kind of sell it? Does renting a home in current market more sense? If I use my loan knowledge and tell the seller and understand their finances, that makes it easy for them to make a decision. Additionally, every seller wants to know how they can maximize their net proceeds from the sale of their home. So, I offer services that will help maximize the home value. They include basically room-by-room review, where I walk through each room, the front and backyards, the neighborhoods, and prepare the listing, basically a list of things that they have to do. And depending on the upgrades and the repairs and the improvement they are comfortable with, I will give them a different value for the home. Okay. Also, some sellers, and that's what my pinpoint free analysis is. So I will say your home will sell for this if you do this. You sell for that if you do that, right? Okay. Because you cannot sell a home in any market just because it looks shabby, just because the market is hot. Okay, buyers are smart in this market too, right? So some sellers, I know, like, they do not want to put home on the open market, and that's when I do a silent market sale. I currently did that in Mission San Jose area. The seller didn't want to put the house on the market, and we did the silent market sale, and the home is pending almost close to 1.1 million.
That's a wonderful word, silent market sale.
Yes, absolutely. No hassle of open houses, no hassle of getting the home ready for sale.
Okay.
And there is a buyer out there who will say, okay, I'll buy the home the way it is.
Okay, wonderful.
Okay. Yeah.
All right, so if you're a seller and want to take advantage of the free services offered by Amit Inamdar, call him today. He'll analyze your financial equity and new home qualification and advise if it makes more sense to buy first or sell first. So in order to improve your home's curb appeal and first impressions, he will do a free room-by-room review, which is great. He has a supply chain of contractors and handyman, electricians, and home remodelers. He'll plan all activities for you and assist you in getting the home ready for sale. You will take advantage of his negotiations expertise. He's a certified real estate negotiations expert. So based on the value-added upgrades he suggests, he will provide with a pinpoint home price analysis to sell your home for the highest price in shortest possible time and with least amount of inconvenience to you. So what more if you are not ready to go through the hassle of open houses and keeping home in the cleanest condition, if ready to go through the hassle, if you're a buyer who doesn't want to do all of these, please go for a silent market sale. Amit generates many home buyer interest due to this radio show and helps us to sell your home faster, even without putting it on the open market. So call him today.
Right. So home buying, home selling, Isha, is not an instantaneous decision. Okay?
It's not, yeah.
It takes time to get in terms with the choices you have, and then decisions you have to make, okay, that are unique to your family.
Yeah.
Waiting to learn the market and not knowing your choices upfront may cost you hundreds and thousands of dollars in this fast-moving market. Okay, every week you see the house going higher and higher prices.
Yeah.
So if you wait another week, another 50,000. But if you had that information upfront about what happens in the market, you can make those decisions quicker.
Yeah.
Experience shows that big-ticket decisions like home buying and home selling can only be made through an analysis, a detailed analysis, and I'm here to help you walk through the process and help you achieve your dreams.
Perfect. So, Amit, quickly, do you want to tell us, our listeners, when the open house is so they can just quickly come by and
see? Sure.
Yeah.
So, on this house on 4977 Richmond Avenue in Fremont, okay, you can come tomorrow between 1 and 4 or Sunday between 1 and 4. Stop by, say hi. Look at this beautiful home, maybe relax in the backyard, just get a feel for how it feels to be inside and outside the home in this particular neighborhood. I mean, you're just going to love it. The Glenmore is a very beautiful area of Fremont. And let me tell you, when Mission Homes initially started selling for $1 million, even Glenmore had $1 million homes for sale. And a lot of people don't know it because everybody focuses on these areas of good school districts, right?
Yeah.
And it's not that Glenmore is a bad school. The score is like almost 882 for API.
This is the
for
first
the
question
Glenmore
people
Elementary,
ask.
right?
Yeah.
I mean, and so the school has come up over the years very beautifully, and people can actually take advantage of that information also.
Yes, perfect. All right. So, if you want to buy, understand the urgency of prices going up even further, call Amit for one-on-one consultation. If you're a seller, this is a great time to sell. Many times we forget to sell on timely basis because we have good feelings about the increased valuation, which is always there. So, if you're buying a second home and selling current, Amit's loan and mortgage knowledge guides you in a direction to save your money. And home buyers who upgrade have a decision to make to sell first or to buy first. So do you qualify to buy both homes? If you're the first time home buyer's decision is relatively easy. Whatever your situation is, call Amit today so he can get all the ducks in a row for a smooth journey ahead, and he'll help you to get your home and finances in order. And everyone wants a home, so own sweet home with Amit. And let me tell you, you can also Google his name, and you just have to type Amit, A-M-I-T, and Amit Inamdar is a real estate and mortgage broker, and you can find ways to find him. All right, thank you so much, Amit. It was wonderful talking to you.
Okay, thank you, Isha.
Thank you, and catch you next Friday. Bye-bye.
Own sweet home, own sweet home. I dream of my own sweet home. Right here, right now, Amit Inamdar will show you how. Call Amit and you are set. Or just visit ownsweethome.net.
DRE license number 013555522 and NMLS number 236574.